to your spot.
You do my yes.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, do the Chef
Talia.
Chef Tara.
Egg.
What's this?
Oil.
Yes. What's
Water.
this? Water. And this is from Walmart. Yeah. Bowls are powdery chef. Let's see what we're at first. Start with. So we're going to start with our eggs.
Crack it.
Crack it. Let's see you crack it. Crack it. You cracked it already. Yeah, hold it. Okay. Now that we have the eggs mixed, we're going to go ahead and put this aside. I'll put
Flour.
this. Yes.
Flour.
Yeah, put it inside. Pour everything.
I want me.
Hold on.
It's so nice.
Smell nice. And I take the oil and pour it inside. Careful.
I want to mix this.
Everything just a little. That's okay. And let's change this.
What? I might eat it. Tasty. I want to do this.
Okay, hold on.
I tried it.
You have to hold this face down. Yeah, hold it.
Yummy.
On my weight.
And then two. Mommy, look it got gums just like me. You're just like me. You like it?
Don't touch the pan.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
You like eat it all, Mommy?
See. It's done. Let's
Look at yourself. You putting it?
see that. Want to decorate it?
Mm-hmm. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Help me.
We're going to add
Hmm?
all the sugar here.
Achoo!
Achoo. Listen it.
Okay.
We'll add slowly water and be mixing. Remove that.
Now sugar.
Icing. Look how it looks like.
I want red. I want that color.
All red.
Mommy, I want to have orange.
Mama, you can't have all. You have to use only one color.
I will make a rainbow.
You want red?
I want to make a rainbow.
Mama, we can't make rainbow.
Right. Put the icing.
Mama, you're only decorating one. Mama, this is how to do it. See.
I want to try it.
Mama, that's not it. Mama, look. You press it from up like this.
Amazing.
Like this.
Mm. Mm. Pink eye. Over pink eye. Minnie Mouse. I like the Minnie Mouse. I need the eyeshadow. Mommy, I need to make an eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
Uh-huh. Where am I? I will away. Away.
Nice.
And I'm turning.
Mama, you have to eat it.
I need to make it. make your head. Make your mouse head. Now, her ears. Her ears one. I can make it. Ear. And that's ear. I make the ear.
It's yummy. Mama, no, stop that. You eat from your cake. Are you done with your cake?
No.
Yes, that's enough.
I'll make your own one.
Huh? No, I'm doing only one. Don't do another one.
Okay. I didn't make the Minnie Mouse yet.
Huh?
I didn't make it yet.
You didn't make what?
I didn't make it yet. Huh?
You want this one?
Mm-hmm.
Turn it around. Let's see.
No, it's my cake.